How to duet with a video on a Likee app. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to find or how to duet with a video on Likee app, easy and quick. So first thing, go to your app. Once you are here on For You page, choose a video you want. For example, let's choose this one. All you need to do is click on the share icon and beside the comments and scroll over the second list. Here you're gonna find the last option, which is duet, or you can find it between those options. Click on it, wait for a second. Click. Hope this video was helpful, guys. If it was, don't forget to subscribe and like.